Hey guys, it's Caleb with Caleb's Catches. Hey, we're actually at a new fishing spot tonight. It's around Watts Bar, but I found a different location and we're going to try it out. I've got me some minnows, crankbaits, my eye bobber rigged. We're just going to get out here and see what we can do. Oh, we're connected. Sonar. We got a little bit further out, 7.3 feet. Come on, find some fish for us. There we go. 1 and 5 feet. Way out there. I can get out there, I just don't know how well we're going to do in that current. My crankbait should do pretty good. All right, so eye bobber did its job. We finally located fish. They're not as deep as you think they were, so we need to fish like 4 feet deep. Y'all been seeing me use the eye bobber a lot, but hey, if I can find fish here in a location I've never fished because of that information, you can't beat that. Dang, that took a minute to come up. I want to get back on the side of this current. Yep, there we go. There we go. Take it. Got one. Oh, did he get off? Yeah, he got off. So what we got? So he's about, I'm sure y'all are seeing that. Yeah. He's about 7.5 inches long. I don't think so. Oh, got something. I got something, yep. Oh. It's a skipjack or a bass. I had a nice largie on earlier. Yeah. Oh. Nope, big yellow. Oh.
What is it?
Big yellow bass.
Oh yeah.
About a 9-inch yellow bass. Yep. I got something. Not sure what. It was fighting me pretty good for a second. Oh, it's still fighting me. I don't know what it is. This is fighting weird. There's no way this is a yellow bass. No way on earth this is a yellow bass. If it is, this is the hardest fighting yellow bass I've ever seen. It's pulling drag pretty good. I mean, it's only 6-pound test, but still. Is it ready to move yet? I don't want to break this line. I'm going to let it do its thing. Am I gaining any ground on this thing? I might be able to get it. I'm trying to see what it is. It's fighting good. Gosh, I can't see it yet. I don't know. I think it's a catfish. I need help. Yep. I'm hoping he doesn't break off. No.
Oh, you're kidding.
No, he just broke off. That was a flathead. I saw him, he got to like right there, and then he swam down again. Well, guys, what an incredible night of fishing. Unfortunately, it didn't go the way I'd like it to go. I wish I could have showed you all that big old flathead catfish that got off. It didn't get picked up on the camera in that video, but I saw him right underneath the water, and he had to be every bit of 15-20 pounds, just judging off that blue I caught a while back. Well, guys, I hope y'all are enjoying the content. This just goes to show you, go out to a new location, try to fish, and it may pay off. I used the iBobber, figured out the depth, just to give me an idea of how that location was since I'd never been there. And it turned out to be a great spot. So, hope y'all are enjoying the content. If that subscribe button is red, make sure it's gray so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. And this is Caleb with Caleb's Catches, reminding you, we're here to teach the world to fish, one cast at a time.